each postcard below with the correct picture into A.
Dear Jane, how's it going? I'm having a great time visiting my aunt in Canada. She's working here, and I'm going to summer school. I'm studying English, and I'm learning a lot. I'm also visiting some of my old friends. I'm so happy to see them again. It's afternoon right now, and I'm sitting by the pool and drinking orange juice. It's warm and sunny, and it's very relaxing here. See you soon. Sue Lynn.
Dear Jane, how's your summer vacation going? Are you studying hard, or are you having fun? I'm having a great time in Europe. My family and I are on a vacation in the mountains. I want to call you, but my phone isn't working, so I'm writing to you. It's hot in your country now, isn't it? The weather here is cool and cloudy, just right for walking. See you next month. Dave.